Guys, OnePlus is back with another beast, the OnePlus Ace. This phone isn't just about speed, it's redefining what mid-range performance really means in 2025. The Ace comes with a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display, rocking a 1.5K resolution and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling, this screen is pure eye candy. And the design? Premium all the way. Slim bezels, glossy finish, and a punch-hole camera up front. It looks and feels like a flagship. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Yes, the same chip found in flagship killers. You get up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, multitasking, gaming, editing, streaming, you name it, this thing crushes it. Camera-wise, the A6 packs a 50-megapixel Sony IMX sensor with OIS, plus an ultra-wide and macro lens. Photos look crisp, dynamic, and bright, even in low light. Selfie lovers, the 32-megapixel front camera won't disappoint either. Battery life, a solid 5,000 milliamps with a crazy 150-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. You can go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes. No more battery anxiety ever. The OnePlus Ace brings flagship-level power at a killer price, smooth performance, blazing fast charging, and that signature OnePlus feel. This might just be one of the smartest buys of 2025. So what do you think? Does the Ace deserve a flagship tag? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily tech drops.